Are the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD. The DSWD clarified that all referrals have to be subjected for validations first before accommodating them. In an interview with 1PH1 Balita Pilipinas, DSWD spokesperson Irene Dumlao said they accept all referrals. However, their social workers have to check these requests before they can work on it. Recall that the OVP accused DSWD of intentionally rejecting or delaying their referrals. Vice President Sara Duterte cried foul over this and insisted that they were being politicized. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa issue na yan.
Sinasabi ko natin yesterday, di ba, na DSWD kasi has to vet the list because may mga guidelines.
Kahit kaninong galing opisina pa yan.
Tsaka may mga several ayuda programs kasi na nag-overlap. Di ba? Clarify ng DSWD noon na if you're part of one ayuda program at na-claim mo na yan, hindi mo pa claim ulit, di ba, that same day or that same week. Meron pagitan na tinitignan nila. So, hindi porket may endorsement letter ka, automatic.
Tsaka may ano yan may parang succession
Yes.
no? Na kung baka meron pang mas nauna dito
Correct.
sa Office of the Vice President.
Tsaka ang nagagawa lang kasi ng endorsement letter, it's not really an instant approval, but merely it gives you a better schedule na imbis na pipila ka siguro ng mahaba at makikipila ka sa isang grupo, may certain days, pag OVP, ito yung araw na pinoprocess.
Pwede, siguro gawin
Ganun
nila
lang.
yun.
Pero, alam ko yan, alam natin yan kasi we've experienced it nung ikaw nag-cover ka noon sa DSWD. Subject for approval lagi ang releasing ng mga ayuda.
Oo, pero on the other side of the fence, para fair lang tayo, syempre sinasabi din ng office ng OVP, meron silang mga in-enumerate na several requests, several endorsements na hindi daw talaga pinansin ng DSWD, which in fact sinasabi nga ng DSWD hindi naman kasi nga may ganitong proseso, etc. And meron daw silang mga messages to show na may mga transaction talagang nagagawa and inaasikaso naman nila. Hindi contrary dun sa claim ng OVP na hindi talaga sila inaasikaso. At kasi ang sinasabi ng Office of the Vice President talagang sinisingle out sila na pag galing sa kanya hindi pinapansin. That's why she's asking for a budget, 'di ba? Specific budget for this.
Hindi naman pwede kasi yung overlapping budget because hindi naman yan ang main function ng OVP.
Exactly. Tsaka napakarami ng mga ayuda.
Oo.
'Di ba? Iba-ibang mga
Left and
pangalan.
right. Ayuda is the new pork barrel.
Ay nako, sige. Pag-usapan pa natin yan.